Hi guys, I'm Neil from Arc Performance with some new friends, Jesus and Becca. They're going to tell you a little bit about what they're doing here and some of the things that they're taking part of. Jesus, what's up?
Hi, I'm a new trainer here at ARC recently for the last 3-4 months.
Yes, sir.
I train a general weightlifting class on Mondays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. We focus on getting people back into the gym, people who either are just starting or people who took a break from the gym and want to get back into it. I also enjoy training people who want to be a little bit more advanced and do barbell work. During the class, we only do dumbbell work just because sometimes the barbell can be intimidating. Um, and the barbell work is a semi-private or private training to one-on-one or one-on-two, and that is per client basis, and that we would pick a schedule when we do that.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Now you've hit some goals yourself. Tell us a little bit about that.
I took some time off the gym, 2019 to 2022. I came back March 2022 weighing at 160, trying to gain weight. I've always been really skinny.
It's like this skinny.
Yeah, like you can tell, it's still there.
Some parts.
And I'm, as of January 2023, I'm 205 pounds. I've gained roughly 45 pounds.
That's amazing.
Roughly can take on a decent time.
That's amazing.
I'm gonna weigh myself.
So if I ever want to get big, I turn to you.
Yeah, or small. If you're trying to lose weight, I can do that too.
Oh, that's good.
At the same time, I helped my cousin lose 20 pounds.
Wow,
Nice.
fantastic. I know Jesus is a really great student. He does a lot of research. He's great in all those aspects, and he's certified, of course, through NASM.
Yeah.
So looking forward to a little bit more of that. And then we have Becca.
Hi.
We've taken advantage of some of her services with yoga and one-on-one assisted stretching. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I got my yoga certification in 2018. Before that, I had been practicing for probably 10 years, and then I finally decided to take the leap and get my certification, and I started teaching right away. Classes Monday nights at 7 p.m. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's been
Yeah.
life-changing. I've incorporated it myself in years past, and now that she's back, or we have a yoga instructor back in the gym, it's been phenomenal as far as how my body feels. So,
I'm glad to hear that.
and if somebody wants to take it further, tell us a little bit about the one-on assisted stretching.
Yes, so I'm also trained in one-on-one assisted stretching where I will stretch you physically. So it's focused more for people who want to work on their flexibility, people who have had injuries in the past and working a little bit on healing themselves. I do a specific type of stretching called PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. It's basically a fancy way of saying we'll work on your flexibility and strengthening your joints to help create a healthy range of motion to keep you doing what you love.
That sounds amazing.
So, yeah.
I'd like to get one of those stretches
Yeah.
at some point.
Yeah, it's very nice to have somebody do it for you.
Right. That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, there's these guys that we'd love for you to meet. There's also a few more changes in the gym. We have a new adult athletic class, 6 p.m. on Wednesdays. That's replacing our OCR prep, and that's just a lot of fun. It changes the focus every month. We're working on cardio-based competition based off of the DECA Fit and the Hyrox. It's a lot of fun if you like intense cardio movements. I'm also modifying my cardio mobility to add more functional athletic movements just because I have more fun. I have more fun that way, right? So we're not always crawling on the ground in that class. So those are some few changes. And the last thing is our two more things. My Zone has been incorporated. It's a really great opportunity to wear a chest strap and track your heart rate monitor in a real time. We put it up on the projector, or you can wear a watch that tells you, or your cell phone. It's really amazing technology, and the trainers have been taking advantage of it with their clients, and then the class setting has been phenomenal because we've added that. So, and we have some competitions going on too. So increasing your efforts, increasing your activity, and then you get paid for it or gifted for it, right, in the competition. And the last thing is, if you want to come back to the gym, you've been thinking about it, but you haven't taken that step, we do have a 6-week challenge coming up. You gotta let us know. Just call me or email me. Let us know. We'll put you in our one of our slots as they're available. And it's just a great way to start. We haven't done something like this in a very long time, but I really think this would be great for the new person coming back. Sounds good. Anything else?
Good, I think.
That's it.
We look forward to seeing you soon.